In this video, we will learn how to work around threads, how to install and set up. Go to the website threads.net. Directly, you will be seeing the get the app button. Click on it. It will directly take you to the downloads page. That is our app store for iPhone and Google Play Store for Android. We have an iPhone, so the following is visible. Click on get. For Android, click on download. To download it, that's it. We clicked on get. Now it will begin the download. Download completed, click open. Now thread will open. It is asking for the current Instagram ID, which is fine. Click on it. After clicking, under profile, you can add your name, bio. I am adding the bio now. Add your bio and click on done. You can also import bio from your Instagram account, which you linked it, but I'll be writing it. Click done. Now you can add a link, a website link or YouTube channel link. So here I'm adding my website link. Click on done. Now click next. You want a public profile or private? I want a public, so I'll keep the default and click next. Now your followers on Instagram is visible. You can directly follow them here, but I'll leave it and click next. How thread works, just click on join threads, allow notifications. Here it is. We have reached our account. Here it is. Bio is visible. You can also add an image. Click on edit profile. Now click on the plus sign to add an image. Choose from library or import from Instagram. I'll click on import from Instagram. It will directly take it from my Instagram account. Click done. Now that's it. Our image is visible. You can add a new thread. We clicked below and added a new thread. Type, add whatever you want to add, just like Twitter. And click on post. Here it is. We have added our first thread. Now to understand about threads, go to Instagram. Herein go to creators, which is the official Instagram account, and herein you can see the post they have posted now today about threads and how many characters are allowed. 500 characters are allowed. Okay, and here it is. You just need your Instagram account. That's it.